Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. Here we have another Wi-Fi smart pull-up. Right, so let's open this thing up. I don't know what company is this about. Lighting facts per pull-up. 650 lumens. No, that doesn't say anything. Let's open this thing up. Ow, 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 ow. Huh. That is heavy. Is that aluminium? I think, no, it's, I don't know. It seems like aluminium. I mean, feels like aluminium, this part in here. That's how it looks like. Smart bulb. What else do we have in here? I think that's it. The manual, the bulb. I mean, there's not much to show, really. I have to connect it up. That's how it looks like, right? A lot of languages, how to operate, la 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 la. Let's see, search Smart Life by Google Play. I think I already have this app, but I'm gonna put this light bulb in the review light, and then I will come back to it and show it how it works. Right, so I have the bulb connected, and to put it into the bearing mode, this thing, you have to turn it on and off. Like if it's off, you turn it on, off, on, off, and on, and it should go into blinking mode, which is the bearing mode. So I'm gonna try it now. So it's off. Let's do it. On, off, on, off, on. Didn't do anything. There we go. So I have to do it faster. So I'm gonna try to show you the app at the same time. See, here we go. So this is the app you need. Let's try to show you. There we go. Smart Life. I think I'm already logged in. I thought I was logged in. Right, so first of all, this app is complete bullshit. I did review it before, this app with some other light bulb, but it's complete shit. So I didn't remember the password because it had to be some complicated shit with like numbers and lowercase and blah blah blah. So I put the forgot password. I can't show you this process, but I put forgot password. And you have 60 seconds to log into your email, get the 6-number verification code, enter the verification code, and then enter a new password. All that in 60 seconds. How the fuck do you do that? So I had to log in on my computer in there and just click refresh on the email while I did this in here. It's like, what the fuck is this app? Who made this bullshit? 60 seconds and typing these small numbers on the phone? You have no time. This is bullshit. That pissed me off, man. But let's add the new light then. I don't know which lighting devices I have to add. I think this one. See, it says it has to blink like this. So confirm light rapidly blink. This English is horrible. They need to hire someone to translate English to them. So after you put your Wi-Fi settings, it says connecting now. So let's see what happens. No, something happened. I'll move the phone aside. See, it went bright on. Percentage is such bullshit. Well, it did something. It stopped blinking. Oh, there. Okay, there we go. Let's just leave it smart bulb like this. So see, it's smart bulb 2. So let's click done in here. There we go. That's on and off. There we go. I'll show you like this. Sorry, the camera angle is a bit weird. I'm trying to like angle the phone at the same angle. So how do we touch on? Look at that. Touch on. What the fuck? Right, we can change the colors in here, as you can see. So we can. Alright, so let's change the color in here. See? Whoops, my hand was in the way. There you go. Now you can clearly see how it works. That's pretty awesome. Bright and plain. Plain? What do you mean plain? Look at that. Who is translating this English? What do you mean bright and plain? What the fuck is this? Like, seriously? We have scenes. I don't know what this is. Reading. Party. That's party, really? I don't see how this mode is a party. Leisure. I don't get it. Gorgeous. That's like, I don't know, shine. What do you mean shine? Shine. What do you mean shine? I can't. This is killing me, people. This English is killing me. Shine. This is not shine. It's blinking. It's blinking, not shine. Oh my god. And then we have a timer list in here. I don't know how well you can see. So you can add a schedule in here. See? We put the timer only once. La 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 la. It should explain itself. Let's go back. Back. There we go. Well, that's how this light bulb works, okay? But well, here you have this awesome light bulb, smart light bulb, and I will see you next time.